Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a pristine beach, your kids learning about marine biology firsthand, all while spending less than $50 a day. Sounds impossible? Well, welcome to Bali, Indonesia, just one of the incredible world schooling destinations we're going to explore today.
We just wanna travel. We just wanna travel. We just wanna see something bigger than us. We just wanna travel the world. We just wanna meet someone different from us. We just wanna travel the world. To see and smell and taste something completely new. We just wanna travel the world.
Hey, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Our Offbeat Life, where we're all about embracing the unconventional and making the most of family travel. I'm Brodi, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, worldschooling. We've been doing it full time for over 5 years now. For those new to the concept, worldschooling is an educational approach that uses travel as a primary learning tool. It's not about seeing new places. It's about immersing your family in diverse cultures, languages, and experiences. But here's the kicker. World schooling does not have to break the bank. In fact, it can be more affordable than you think. That's why I'm so excited to share our top 10 cheapest countries for digital nomads and world schoolers. These destinations offer incredible learning opportunities without emptying your wallet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Travel in this economy? It's a common misconception that travel, especially long-term family travel, is a luxury reserved for the wealthy. Many people believe that exploring the world means spending a fortune on accommodations, food, and activities. But here's the truth. That mindset is outdated and simply incorrect. The rise of remote work, coupled with the growing acceptance of alternative education methods, has opened up a world of possibilities for budget-conscious families like us. The challenge lies in shifting our perspective. Instead of thinking about travel as a series of expensive short-term vacations, we need to approach it as a lifestyle. When you slow down, immerse yourself in local communities, and embrace a different way of living, you'll find that your daily expenses can actually decrease dramatically. We do not go out sightseeing every day. Sometimes we don't even go sightseeing at all in a week. After all, we didn't do that when we lived in Chicago. We're living our lives, going to the grocery store, doing laundry, even washing the dishes and cleaning the toilet, just in different countries every few months. The key is knowing where to go and how to live like a local. That's where our list of budget-friendly world schooling destinations comes in. These countries offer not just affordability, but rich cultural experiences and diverse learning opportunities for the whole family. So, let's explore our specific budget-friendly destinations that are perfect for world schooling families. At number 10, we have Vietnam. With bustling cities and a serene countryside, Vietnam offers a blend of history and modernity. Families can rent a comfortable apartment in Hanoi for around $500 a month, US. And we can eat delicious pho for $2 a bowl and explore ancient temples for minimal entry fees or sometimes no fee at all. Although personally, I would only recommend Hanoi in the summer because it gets pretty cold and rainy during the Vietnamese winter. Number 9, we have Mexico, which is near and dear to my heart. From the Mayan ruins of the Yucatan to the vibrant streets of Mexico City, this country is a cultural goldmine. In cities like Merida, you can rent a colonial-style home for about $600 US a month and enjoy fresh produce from the local mercados, or markets, at a fraction of US prices. Number 8, we have Thailand. Known for its friendly people and stunning beaches, Thailand is a world schooler's paradise. In Chiang Mai, families can find modern apartments for $400 to $500 US dollars a month and enjoyed street food meals for as little as $1 or $2 per person. I still dream about the food we enjoyed at Chiang Mai street markets, and I cannot wait to go back. Just be sure not to go during the burning season because the air pollution is pretty horrific. And anybody who can leaves Chiang Mai during that time. Number 7, we have Portugal. For those seeking European charm on a budget, Portugal delivers. In cities like Porto, you can rent a family-size apartment for around $800 a month. And you can explore world-class museums on free admission days. Number 6, we have Morocco. Immerse yourself in the colorful markets and ancient Medinas. In cities like Asora, rent a traditional riad for about $600 a month and let your kids practice math skills while bargaining in the souks. Or watching you bargain if they aren't very extroverted. That's fun too. Number 5, Georgia, the country, not the US city. This underrated gem offers stunning mountain scenery and rich history. In Tbilisi, spacious apartments go for around $500 a month, and public transportation is incredibly affordable. Plus, the food and wine are tasty. Number 4, we have Malaysia. With its mix of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures, Malaysia is a melting pot of learning opportunities. We lived in Malaysia for 15 months, give or take, and have talked about settling down there eventually because it's a great place to world school. In Penang, families can rent apartments for $500 to $600 a month and explore the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Georgetown. We had an apartment in Kuala Lumpur for just $650 a month, and the condo complex had excellent amenities, including a really epic pool. Number 3, we have Ecuador. From the Andes to the Amazon, Ecuador packs diverse ecosystems into a really small country. Cuenca is known for its expat-friendly atmosphere, and families can rent furnished apartments for $500 to $600 a month. Our centrally located apartment in northern Ecuador was $550 a month, and this is another spot that we've talked about settling down eventually. Of course, number 2, we have Bali, Indonesia. As I mentioned earlier, Bali offers an incredible blend of culture, nature, and affordability. Families can rent villas in Ubud for $600 to $700 a month, enjoy healthy meals for $3 to $4 a person, and participate in traditional ceremonies for free. If you live in a less centralized area, your rent would be even less. In each of these destinations, a family of 4 can comfortably live on $1,500 a month or less, which breaks down to that magical $50 a day I promised. Now, let's spotlight my number 1 destination that truly stands out for its combination of affordability, unique experiences, and educational opportunities. At number 1, we have Colombia. Colombia often flies under the radar for many travelers, but it's a world schooling gem waiting to be discovered. We spent 3 full months there and barely scratched the surface. It's also on our short list for a longer stay visa when we're ready for a travel pause. From the colorful streets of Cartagena to the lush coffee triangle, this country offers an incredible diversity of experiences. Heck, Salento inspired the Disney movie Encanto. Medellin in particular, though, is a standout city for world schooling families. Known as the City of Eternal Spring for its perfect climate, warm during the day, cool at night, Medellin has transformed itself into a hub of innovation and culture. Here's a little bit more about why it's so special. Affordability. Families can rent modern, spacious apartments in safe neighborhoods for $600 to $700 a month. Ours was $650 a month when we lived there. A meal at a local restaurant costs around $3 to $4 a person for tasty and filling portions. Plus, there's the education opportunities. Medellin is home to numerous museums, many of which offer free entry. The Explorer Park is an interactive science museum and a particular favorite for world schooling families. Well, families in general. Plus, the Christmas lights displays in Medellin are epic. They're some of the best I've ever seen, and we spent Christmas in a lot of places. There's also the nature and outdoor learning because Medellin is surrounded by lush mountains that offer opportunities for hiking and bird watching and learning about unique ecosystems. Not to mention the language immersion. Colombia has clear and easy to understand Spanish that makes it an ideal place for kids and adults to actually pick up the language. There is a lot of local slang to learn, but that's part of the fun. Our local friend in Medellin told us there are 3 ways to just say earring in Colombia, depending on what part of the country you're in. But again, part of the fun. And then there's the innovation. Medellin's remarkable urban transformation provides real-world lessons in civic engagement, urban planning, and environmental sustainability. The history in the city is a lot of fun to learn about too, especially if you go and ride the escalators in Comuna 13. With all these benefits available at such an affordable price point, Medellin exemplifies the potential of budget-friendly world schooling destinations. So, as we've seen, world schooling on a budget isn't just possible, it's an incredibly enriching way to live and learn as a family. These affordable destinations offer more than just cost savings. They provide truly immersive cultural experiences, hands-on learning opportunities, and a chance to get a unique global perspective. By thinking outside the box and embracing an alternative lifestyle, families can turn the world into their classroom without breaking the bank. It's about prioritizing experiences over possessions and understanding that some of the best education happens outside of traditional school walls. We've been living this world schooling lifestyle since 2019, and let me tell you, we have no plans on settling down anytime soon. The experiences we've had, the connections we've made, the growth we've seen in our son and ourselves, it's truly priceless. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you considered world schooling? Are you world schooling now? Which of these destinations intrigues you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly travel guides and world schooling adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and living your own offbeat life.
We just wanna meet someone different from us. See and smell and taste something completely new. We just wanna travel the world, travel the world, travel.